My name is Michael Waltemathe. I'm a senior lecturer in practical theology and religious education at the Ruhr-Universität in Bochum, here in Germany. I'm delighted to be holding the seminar on Religion and Astrobiology, Challenges and Chances for Mutual Interaction. In this seminar, we will be discussing concepts from the history of religion that inform current theological, ethical, and philosophical debates in astrobiology, as well as the possible challenges and chances religion faces from astrobiology research. Throughout the history of human space exploration, religion was and still is present whenever humans venture out into space. This has certainly had an effect on religious tradition, religious ritual, and other things within the religion worldview. During the seminar, we will be discussing topics like the framing of biodiversity, protection of the environment, or in religion terms, stewardship for creation, and we will be discussing the extension of these principles and their possible religious foundation toward the search for extraterrestrial life. What does it mean if you have a religious worldview and are looking for life outside of our home planet, or what if you find life outside our home planet? How will religious heritage be transformed through astrobiology research? And how will traditional assumptions, for instance from religion, inform our future research and the interpretations and social communications of astrobiology results? I would like to invite you to join in this discussion in the next seminar of the European Astrobiology Institute. Thank you.